today I'm announcing a giveaway that is going to run from May 3rd until May 10th, 2020. So this giveaway is going to be for one of my butterbeer candles that I have featured on page 59 of my book, The Wizard's Craftbook. And these candles I made in 100% soybean wax, and it was a locally sourced soybean wax, so it is 100% American made. It is clean burning, there's no soot, they're all natural, environmentally friendly, and they have a really great strong scent. So the actual butterbeer portion is a really rich butterscotchy, caramely, yummy smell. And then the top has a little bit more of a vanilla caramel butterscotchy smell to it. So you get a little bit of difference between the frothy foam and the body of the butterbeer. And it's almost too cute to burn, but I promise you, you are going to want to burn these because they smell so nice. And I'm going to sell these on my Etsy store as well. And these burn for about 50 to 55 hours. And I'm going to sell them for $19.95. And they will come in this really cute plastic wrapping with the little jute twine and a butterbeer candle tag. So make a really great gift. Before I tell you guys how you can win this butterbeer candle, I was also just kind of curious to know whether you guys would be interested in me selling a signed sticker book plate on my Etsy store for like $2. I am not charging you for my signature. I would by no means ever do that, but I would have to charge just a small fee for the actual book plate, which would be the printed sticker piece, as well as the envelope that I would ship it in. So just let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in. So those of you who would never actually get a chance to have me sign a copy of my book for you, you'd be able to put the book plate in your book and essentially make it a signed copy. So let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. I'm also probably going to put some polls up on Instagram and my YouTube channel just to kind of get an idea if that's something you guys would be interested in, because I know a lot of you would like a signed copy of your book and you may not actually have access to do that. So this is a way that I'd be able to give you guys my signature to be able to put into your book so that you could have a signed copy. So let me know in the comments down below, and you can just add it to your comment for your entry for the butterbeer candle. But I just kind of want to know if that's something you guys would be interested in. To be entered to win this butterbeer candle, all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. So if you're not subscribed, just click that subscribe button right now and then leave a comment down below that says anyone for a butterbeer. And then to earn an extra entry, you need to follow me on Instagram on my Wizard's Craftbook account, as well as my Cooking and Craft Chick account. And once you have followed me on both of my Instagram accounts, just leave a comment on your original comment to this video with your Instagram handle so that I know that you have subscribed to my channel as well as followed both of my Instagram pages. And then that will give you 2 entries in instead of just 1. I'm going to announce the winner of this candle on the 11th, and I will message you letting you know that you have won so that I can get your shipping information, and then I will ship this candle out to you. So good luck to all of you. I hope you can win the butterbeer candle from my book, The Wizard's Craftbook. And if you're not lucky enough to win one of these candles and you'd like one, like I said, they're going to be available on my Etsy store as well. So I will put the link to that down below. And I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway. I wish you all the best of luck, and I appreciate all of the support that you guys have given me on all of my different platforms and with my book. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.